Hello everyone! Welcome to Quiz Smashing. Today, we've got 36 exciting maths algebra questions, ranging from easy to extreme, covering everything from solving equations and simplifying expressions to expanding and factorizing. Think you can master them all? Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun and brain-boosting math quizzes. Alright, let's dive in and start solving. Solve for x. 2x equals 10. That's right, the answer is 5. Solve for y. Y plus 7 equals 12. You got it. The answer is 5. Simplify 3x plus 2x. Correct. It becomes 5x. Solve for x. X minus 9 equals 3. Exactly. X equals 12. If x equals 4, find 2x plus 3. Nice job. The answer is 11. Simplify 5a minus 2a. That's right. It simplifies to 3a. Solve for x. X divided by 3 equals 6. Well done. X equals 18. Evaluate when x equals 2. 4x squared. Yes, the result is 16. Simplify open bracket 2x plus 3x close bracket plus x. Great work, it becomes 6x. Solve for x. 3x plus 4 equals 10. Correct, x equals 2. Simplify 2 times open bracket x plus 5 close bracket. You got it. The answer is 2x plus 10. Solve 5x minus 7 equals 18. That's right, x equals 5. Simplify 3a plus 2a minus 4a. Nice, the result is just a. Solve for x. 4x equals 20. Exactly, x equals 5. If x equals 3, find x squared plus 2x. Good job, the answer is 15. Expand open bracket x plus 2, close bracket times, open bracket x plus 3 close bracket. Correct. It becomes x squared plus 5x plus 6. Simplify 2x plus 3 minus x plus 5. Yes, it simplifies to x plus 8. Solve x divided by 2 plus 3 equals 7. That's right, x equals 8. Simplify 2 times. Open bracket x plus 3, close bracket minus 4. Nice work. It becomes 2x plus 2. Solve for x. 4x minus 5 equals 11. Correct, x equals 4. Expand open bracket x minus 4, close bracket times. Open bracket x plus 4, close bracket. Yes, that's x squared minus 16. Solve 3, x plus 2 equals 14. Good job, x equals 4. Simplify 5, x minus open bracket, 2x minus 3, close bracket. Exactly, it becomes 3x plus 3. Solve 7x equals 35. You got it? X equals 5. Simplify open bracket 4, x plus 6, close bracket, divided by 2. That's right. It becomes 2x plus 3. Evaluate when x equals 2, x cubed plus 2x. Correct. The answer is 10. Expand open bracket x plus 1 close bracket squared. Nice job. It becomes x squared plus 2x plus 1. Solve 2. X plus 3 equals x plus 7. Yes, x equals 4. Simplify open bracket 3x squared plus 2x close bracket minus open bracket x squared minus x close bracket. Good work. It becomes 2x squared plus 3x. Factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6. Correct. It factors to open bracket x plus 2, close bracket times, open bracket x plus 3 close bracket. Solve 5x minus 2 equals 3x plus 6. Nice. X equals 4. Simplify open bracket x squared y close bracket divided by x. That's right, it becomes xy. Expand open bracket 2, x plus 3 close bracket times open bracket x minus 1 close bracket. Exactly. It becomes 2x squared plus x minus 3. Solve x divided by 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. X equals 9. Factorize 3x squared plus 6x. Correct. It factors to 3x times open bracket x plus 2 close bracket. Simplify open bracket x squared y squared close bracket divided by open bracket xy close bracket. Yes, the result is xy. Great job! How many algebra questions did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun math quizzes from Quiz Smashing. See you in the next one.